We'll now start the ceremony for presentation of awards. The first ceremony is for presentation of the Biju Patnaik Bravery Award to Purnima Giri and Sabita Giri by Honorable Chief Minister through video conferencing. I request Director Sports to talk about the award and the winners.
We request Purnima Giri or Sabita Giri to please come forward. Both the sisters Purnima and Sabita rescued the life of 12 persons while when a country boat was capsized in the river Nipanya of Mahanadi in Kendrapada last year. And they are also the National Bravery Awards. They have been awarded in January 2020. We request Honorable Minister to kindly please award. They are also being given a cash award of 1 lakh each to both the sisters.
Thank you, sir, and congratulations to both the winners once again. We will now have distribution of cash awards to meritorious sports persons by Honorable Chief Minister. Director Sports to announce.
A total of 435 sports persons, including 51 para-athletes. They are being awarded cash awards of a total of 1.61 crores. The top awardees, 6 awardees, we are presenting it here in this ceremony. So now I request Sivaprasad Das to come forward for taking the award, and I request Honorable Minister to hand over the award on behalf of. So Sivaprasad Das is a cash award for coaching to person with disability sports. He is being awarded 32 lakhs. He is the personal coach of para badminton player and Arjuna awardee Pramod Bhagat, who won the gold medal in the World Championship and Para-Asian Games in 2019. Thank you. Next is Padmini Rath. I request her to please come and accept the award. She is being awarded for the cash award for outstanding sportsperson in chess, a sum of 2,40,000 based on her performance of winning gold medal in the 17th Asian Chess Championship at Manila. Next, we request Hupi Maji. She is being awarded the cash award for outstanding sportsperson in rugby with a cash award of 2,30,000. She is in the Indian rugby team and participated in the bronze medal winning Asian Rugby Women Championship in Manila. We now request Rajashri Mohapatra. She is being awarded the cash award for outstanding sportsperson in the category of person with disability in futsal game. A cash award of 2 lakh rupees. She is part of the silver medal in World Summer Games 2019 at Abu Dhabi. Now request Manisha Merrill. She is being awarded 1.12 lakhs as a cash award for outstanding sportsperson in athletics. She secured the second position in 100 meter and long jump in the National Junior Athletics Championship and second position in the long jump in the Federation Cup. We now request Pratyasha Rai. She is being awarded the cash award for outstanding sportsperson in Khelo India Games for swimming. She secured silver medal in 50 meter, 100 meter and 200 meter backstroke in 3rd Khelo India Youth Games in Guwahati. Next category.
Next, we have the presentation of Biju Patnaik Award for Excellence in Coaching.
We request Satyaranjan Patnaik. He's being awarded the Biju Patnaik Award for Excellence in Coaching. He's the coach in chess and he has produced many masters in chess from Odisha, including Devashish Das, Padmini Raut, Saina Solankia and many other chess players. He's being awarded 1 lakh rupees as a check award also. Next is the presentation of the Biju Patnaik Sports Award to Jayanti Behra. We request Jayanti Behra to please come forward. She is being given Sports Award for outstanding performance in sports. She is a silver medalist in 400 meters in Asian Para Games at Indonesia 2018 and also participated in the World Para Athletic Championship in Dubai. And she is a national champion and international also. She got many awards. She is being awarded a cash of 2 lakh rupees also. Next is Deep Grace Eka. On behalf of Deep Grace Eka, her relative is accepting the award. So Deep Grace Eka is being awarded the Biju Patnaik Sports Award for outstanding performance in sports. She is the ace player of senior Indian women hockey team and has completed more than 200 international matches, including winning the gold medal of FIH Women's Series in 2019 and the Olympics test event at Tokyo in 2019 and also the hockey Olympic qualifiers in 2019 in Bhubaneswar. Thank you, sir. This we complete the awards handing over ceremonies.
I would now request Honorable Chief Minister to kindly inspire and motivate us with his address.
Promotion Council, Dr. Dilip Tirki, Senior Officer, awardees, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are celebrating National Sports Day on the birth anniversary of the Indian hockey legend, Dhyan Chand. I pay my sincere tribute to the wizard of Indian hockey on this occasion. My greetings to all the sports persons and sports lovers across the state on this great occasion. I congratulate all the awardees, award winners on this occasion. They displayed excellent talent and hard work and brought laurels to the state and the country. Passion, drive and determination of these sports persons are commendable, and I wish them more glory in the times ahead. I congratulate the two young girls in Kendrapara who have received for showing exceptional courage and saving many lives. They are indeed a shining example of selfless service and an inspiration for the youth. Sports is the symbol of youth power. It demonstrates energy, power, dynamism, team spirit, and above all, an irresistible and irrepressible desire for winning. A society that loves sport development develops great potential for success in every other field. Our legendary leader, Biju Babu, himself was a great sports person and promoted sports all his life. We are now in the process of realizing his dreams on making Odisha a budding center of sports. Odisha has become a major center of sports activities in the last few years. Today, Odisha is known globally as a hub of hockey, and we are going to host yet another edition of the Hockey World Cup in 2023. Our focus is on the development of sports infrastructure and coaching facilities at the grassroots level of sports. Best of coaches from across the world have been engaged in our high-performance centers in various sports disciplines to provide top-class coaching. I'm sure our sports persons will continue to excel in national and international sports and bring glory to the state in the coming years. The world is passing through a great crisis due to the COVID pandemic. The importance of sports and fitness has once again been highlighted by this pandemic. We wish to further promote sports to enhance the physical and mental health of our citizens in the state. More than medals, sports and fitness activities should become the way of life in our society. Thank you. Vande
Thank you, sir. I'd request Director Sports to offer a word of thanks.
Under the inspiring leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, Odisha has now become a major center for sports activities in the country. The organizational capabilities of the state, especially to conduct the events at short notice, have been widely recognized and appreciated. Recently, when the central government wanted to conduct the first Khelo India University Games at a short notice of 2 months, they chose Odisha as the venue. In spite of the complexities of organizing such multidisciplinary games involving more than 4,000 athletes and officials, the event was organized successfully. This shows the rising stature of Odisha in the sports arena. It's all possible due to the vision of Honorable Chief Minister. We thank you, sir, for sparing your very valuable time for encouraging all the awardees here on this august occasion. We would like to thank Honorable Sports Minister, who has been very proactive in implementation of all the sports schemes. We thank Shri Dilip Tirki, Chairman Hockey Promotion Council, who is a source of inspiration for all the sports persons in the state. We thank Chief Secretary and Development Commissioner for their presence and encouragement. Both are sports persons themselves and have been very supportive of all the activities of the department. Special thanks to Secretary Sports and Youth Services, who has been the driving force behind all the activities of the department. And special thanks to all the awardees and congratulations once again. Thanks to all for their participation and making the arrangements for this program. Thank you so much, sir.